engagement. A review. Reviewed financial statements provide limited assurance that the financial statements do not contain any material modifications. This is the next step up from a compilation, but a step down from a financial statement audit. An independent CPA, the keyword is independent, independent CPA accountant will perform analytical procedures to analyze trends, variances, and anything that looks out of the ordinary. They will also make inquiries of management and review certain documentation based on their analysis. Now, I said the word independent. That is a key term we need to go over. For an outside accountant to prepare reviewed financial statements or an audit, they need to be independent. So what does independent actually mean? This means they must be objective and have integrity. This also means that they must be free of bias, so they cannot be an investor in the company, have family members who work for that company, or have any sort of business relationship outside of the review or audit engagement. All right, let's look at the review report and see how it is different from a compilation. A review includes primarily applying analytical procedures to financial statement data along with inquiries to management. A review does not express an opinion. A compilation expressed no opinion and gave no assurance. A review at least gives limited assurance. Management is, again, responsible for the financial statements, and these engagements will require a management representation letter which indicates management is responsible for the company's financial statements. Typically, the CEO and CFO have to sign off on the financial statements saying they consider these statements to be presented fairly and they're responsible for those financial statements. The report only provides, as we discussed, limited assurance. It's better than a compilation because a compilation provides no assurance. A review provides limited assurance that the financial statements are prepared fairly. A review will cost more than a compilation because the accountants will be validating some of the financial data. That's going to take additional time to conduct that analysis and to do those interviews. A compilation isn't doing any of those items. So a review is more involved. You're actually looking at the data, looking at trends, looking at the information to see if anything looks out of the ordinary. Now, internal controls with a review are not tested. They might ask what the policies and procedures are during a review engagement, but they're not testing or validating if internal controls are actually good, in place, and being followed. How long does a review take? A review is going to take longer than a compilation, but less time than an audit. Same with the pricing. It's going to be more than a compilation, but less than an audit. A review is going to involve all that testing, and there's procedures that performing those analytical procedures and doing inquiries of management. It's going to take a little bit more time. It's going to be a little bit more involved. Preparing the financial statements should be about the same, but they're going to have a level. They want to make sure that there's no material modifications to provide that limited assurance. So a review could take up to a couple weeks to a month, conduct all the procedures, prepare the financial statements, review them, and get them out. Now, it can be done in 2 weeks, but sometimes this could take longer depending on the complexity of the company under review.